We're off to Inch Perfect Trials. There's a group of us going. I'm definitely going to be the worst trials rider there. I may be made to look a bit of a goon, but bring the cameras along. Be funny at least.
Oh fuck!
Nearly ran over a bird.
Touching the wildlife like a pervert.
Told my missus no birds while we're away.
Just sheep.
Just sheep. Finally got some Skittles without actually nicking them.
Oh yeah.
Oh. You get changed, you still get more views.
Okay.
In the OnlyFans.
Do the early. So it's behind the scenes.
I'm getting changed.
It's with the penis.
Sunbox loose. Bend it out.
Come out there. Yeah, how's the engine's on?
Day 2 at Inch Perfect Trials. Told my missus something could be inch perfect.
Not in one go, it couldn't.
Inch perfect twice.
Oh dear. Hey! Oh, it's a garage with a view.
There's like a council job, a couple of people are watching.
Yeah. No!
I've done a bad thing now.